I have been hiding this from you guys. Here is the house. It's a dump. Oh my god. Hey guys, good morning. What is freaking up, you guys? Today's a big day. It is not morning right now. It's like 5:45 p.m. It's getting so dark. I think it's like the #1 thing I hate about fall and winter is the fact that it gets dark at like 5 p.m. which is insane because it feels like it's bedtime by like 7. Either way, today is a fucking big ass day because I have been hiding this from you guys for like months. This has been in the works for 2 freaking months and I'm so excited to announce that I bought a FIXER-upper. I bought a FIXER-upper, you guys. I bought a FIXER-upper. I'm freaking out a little bit. I'm super excited about it. Today is a day. We got the keys yesterday. I didn't get to see it yesterday because we had to fumigate the house because it wasn't in the best condition. So I'm so excited to visit the house. Matt and I only have about 30 minutes to visit the house, but we officially got the keys yesterday and we're gonna go see the house. I literally have not seen this house. I've driven by on the outside of it, and sometimes when you buy a fixer-upper, you kind of buy it sight unseen, and this was kind of the case for at least me. I will say there's a reason why I didn't mind that I did not see it on the inside, because most likely we're going to be fixing everything up. We have it budgeted already. So Matt and I are actually going to go on a double date with Lauren and Jeremy in like 30 minutes. So we only have 30 minutes to see the house, and then we're going to drive over to Lauren and Jeremy's house and hang out with them, and we're going to watch a movie and grab dinner and everything like that. I just wanted to show you guys my first impressions of the house. I'm so excited to see it. A little nervous, but mostly very, very excited. All right, let's go. It's like really dark, so the footage of the house might be super dark because it is like 6 p.m. right now. It's a dump. We've driven past it before and kind of looked at it, right?
I think so, yeah.
But I don't remember being this dirty. But let's take a look. Here is the house, guys. Here's the house. Here's the house. Oh my god. Oh my god. The first thing I noticed before walking through the door was a stench. Imagine months of mold, pet urine, and dust festering in a small enclosed space with literally no air circulation, and you'd pretty much get the scent I was smelling. Holy shit. I mean, clearly the previous owners were hoarders, and I'm completely regretting buying into this project. We're gonna start demolition pretty soon, and I'm so excited to help out. It smells like they were smokers, maybe?
No.
No? Or is it just moldy? Mold?
You would know if they were smokers.
Really?
Oh, you're right, actually.
Really? Are they smokers?
Yes. Surprised.
Oh, you see the cigs? Holy macaroni. Oh my god. What the f? At this point, I'm so upset. We paid the estate $20,000 to clean the house, and clearly they did not do that.
I don't think it's probably that expensive.
Really?
A couple guys in a dumpster and...
Oh my god. What are your thoughts? It's first time inside.
It's a pile of trash.
Yeah, it really is a pile of trash. We're pretty much buying it for the land though, because that's where the value is in the land, not the actual spot itself. Should I come closer?
Whoa, there's a cat there that scared the shit out of me. Hi, little baby.
I wonder if they were really old. Cause like I always wonder how people get into this mess. Like how do you end up here?
They just buy garbage.
Guys, look at that roof. That is just falling apart. Okay. No, I really think they must have lived. Oh my god. At this point, things were getting really creepy because the second I started videotaping the bathroom, my camera just completely died. I was getting the weirdest vibes from this bathroom, and I honestly refused to walk inside of the bathroom, even though this was the cleanest room in the entire house. Bed bugs and flea spray.
All right, I'm getting out of here.
Baby, you can leave. I'm just gonna walk around a little.
Careful.
There's not much I can walk through because it's so messy in here. I feel like they like struggle with mental health, or they're really old because this place is crazy. All right, this is what the house looks like. We got the blue porta potties here already because we're starting demolition really soon. And just a quick look at what the house looks like when you drive up. As you guys can clearly see, they were hoarders. Wow, the sky is bright pink. It's so pretty right now. I really hope if you guys know anyone that lives in a similar situation like that, you get them the help they need, because I feel like that's a very dangerous dangerous place to be living in. And I hope they, like, I really hope they just trashed the place because we bought it, but not actually live that way, but I feel like they live that way. Hey guys, it's the big day. We are doing a demolition today. Currently it's 11 a.m. All the workers have been there since 8 a.m. today. I haven't seen the site just yet, but I did want to help them out and do a little bit of demolition. So I'm gonna head out. This is the outfit. Just wearing an outfit by Stacks. I'm wearing some Doc Martens. I did buy proper work boots. They haven't arrived yet, which is annoying, but I did buy a construction hat as well and gloves because I'm gonna help them clean the entire space since it was absolutely crazy. I keep thinking about how sad it is to live in like a situation that looked like that, and I hope that they're in a better place. That was crazy to me. Unfortunately, I can only help out for like 2.5 hours because after that I have 2 appointments right after. Today's been a crazy day. Today was probably the worst day for demolition to start. I feel so legit. Looking real cute. This is not a Halloween costume. Everyone, if I post this on Instagram, is probably gonna think this is a Halloween costume. No, I'm actually going to work today, so I'm super excited. All right, let's go. All right, this is what it's looking like. It looks a lot better already. Holy cow. What is all this stuff? Wow, you guys did an amazing job so far. This is so fast. All right, so we already filled this trailer with trash. I'm shocked there isn't more stuff in here because I feel like they got so much stuff out, but that's a lot still. We have some old vintage cabinets. Honestly, this is kind of cool. I don't know what I'd use it for, but I can definitely see someone flipping this and turning it into something really freaking cool. Whoa, that's cool as well. So I don't know what we're gonna do with these pieces, but we're probably not gonna keep them just because there's so much stuff that we need to do. I feel like this little pagoda has really cool vibes to it, very imperial vibes. All right, so we're gonna take a look on the inside of what they've done. I took some before and after photos. Here's kind of like the entryway to the house. We're getting the carpet taken out right now. These are actually really cool. I think these are vinyls. I don't think these are real tiles at all, but they look really cool. They look somewhat new-ish. We've cleaned out this dining room right here and the kitchen pretty much. And I showed you guys this earlier. This is crazy. We have the 2 bedrooms back here. Honestly, they did an amazing job. I can't remember if this room always looked like this. It was like always a little bit cleaner, but it definitely looks a lot cleaner now. I cannot believe they used this weird green colored carpet in here. I mean, honestly, it looks really soft if it wasn't dirty. Then we have this room. This room was definitely cleaned out a little bit, not a lot, but it's definitely better. And then we have the bathroom. The last time I was here, the bathroom really freaked me out. I didn't want to go inside of it. We'll go inside of it a little bit for you guys, but that's kind of what it looks like. And yeah, we're gonna do more work. We just did our first tub. There's so much stuff everywhere. Alright, so we found some cash that's super old, just so cool. Manuel found it. These are like the oldest $20 bills I've ever seen. I mean, they're not that old though. These are from 1974, which is like almost 50 years old in like 3 years, which is crazy. But the coolest things are these dollar coins. These are US dollar coins. This is from 1879. I have never seen a dollar coin that looks like this. It's so pretty. Then we found some of these cool jewelry. I don't really know what that is. I did find this really cool thing that's like a makeup compact, but it's really cool and it has like a little mirror to it. This guy's really old. Hi guys, this is Kathy. She was also helping with everything. Okay, so we've done a lot of work in here. I don't know if you guys remember what it looked like before, but we just found a box. What did we find, Manuel?
A safety box.
No way.
Oh, but it's empty.
Oh, it's empty? Do you think someone went through it already?
Yeah, look, it was open.
Did you see the one in the garage?
What?
It's huge.
All right. Whoa, what is this? Okay, this is the garage and this is the creepiest little thing. There's glass everywhere.
You know, I think it's this one. I think they tried opening it, but
I wonder if anything's in there. Did they manage to open it or no? Imagine there was like $1 million in there. This garage is so scary.
Manuel said it's better than the house. I don't think so. Look at the wood.
Did you try to get into it or did someone else try to do it?
To open it.
And they didn't make it?
No, they didn't make it. Look at it.
Huh, I wonder if someone who knew him knew that he had stuff hiding everywhere.
Yeah, I say somebody did it.
Right? Hey guys, so I just left the house and I just did my hair a little cute because I was looking a little crazy. We got so much freaking work done today. I am so amazed at ourselves. I am currently headed to an appointment right now to get more Botox in my jaw because I've been getting a lot of jaw pain and the last time I got it done was over a year ago. So I'm excited for this appointment, but I thought I would update you guys a little bit on the house. We did so much. We cleaned up most of the inside. I would say like 90% of the inside is done. We just have to put away all the heavy furniture and stuff like that. So tomorrow we're gonna be cleaning the outside of the house because the outside of the house is a complete mess. So we got this house through probate, which pretty much means that someone died and passed away. They didn't have a will, and so the estate or the trustee got it, and then they put it on auction, and so we ended up getting it, which is amazing. So I didn't have like a real estate agent or anything like that for this house. This made me so excited. I had such a good time like cleaning the house, and I hate cleaning, but this was so fun. I cannot wait to show you guys like the entire process. Let me know if you guys want me to do like weekly updates, or if you guys just want me to vlog, and if I'm there I just vlog it and show you guys what's happening. I'm not really entirely sure how I should vlog the entire process. I would love to like have like a more formal process where I show you guys with like cool scenery and cool b-roll and things like that. I'm almost to my appointment. I'm super excited. Alright guys, so we are getting some Botox done right now. I definitely need it. I need it in my jaw for my TMJ.
So the first photo is just neutral at rest. And then clench again. And then relax. And then clench again. Okay, and then hold it.
No. She's like so hard not to laugh. I don't know why I was like such a laughing mood. Oh my god. Why do I remember it being so pokey?
Okay.
I feel like such a baby. Okay.
No, you did great, really. And we'll give you ice because it feels good to put on top.
Okay.
And then just a reminder, like don't lay down for like 3-4 hours and don't work out today, like for 24 hours.
Alright guys, I just got my Botox done. So I got some Botox in my jawline. I'm so excited because every single time I get Botox done in my jaw, it just feels literally so amazing. So it takes 2 weeks to fully kick in, and I'm so excited about it because my jaw has been clenching a little bit. Not as much as it used to, but it's definitely been clenching. I've definitely felt like I needed another round of Botox in my jaw. Right now I'm gonna be headed to a gifting suite with Aloe Yoga. Aloe headquarters is the fucking cutest thing I've ever seen. What is this giant tree doing in the middle of everything? So cute. Do you want to do the vlog? Hi, I'm with Andy from Aloe. We're seeing all the new stuff. I love the slate blue. This is so pretty.
Just dropped last week.
Oh my god, pretty. Okay, so I picked out a set in this color. This is adorable. Okay guys, I've been at the Aloe house a little too long. I was supposed to be here for like 20 minutes, and then I got talking to Andy and Tiffany, by the way, and they're just so cool that I've been here for way too long. So I'm gonna kick myself out and leave. Hi guys, I just got home. I changed because I felt absolutely disgusting wearing that brown set I was wearing all day because I was literally picking up garbage off the floor with that outfit on. So I changed into this quick little outfit. This is from Kittenish, by the way. I'll try to link it down below if I can find it, but this is kind of like my at-home outfit right now. I'm wearing this top from Marshalls that I got. Literally best freaking find from Marshalls ever. It was literally $13. This video is not sponsored by them, but like I legitimately just love TJ Maxx and Marshalls and Home Goods. I need to shop there more often. I found the cutest shoes there the other day, but I thought I would do a quick little haul. It's like a very small haul. I picked up one set from them. Before I show you the set, they also gave me some water in this really nice aluminum bottle, but I picked up a set. So this is in their color steel blue. I got their 7/8 airbrush leggings. I freaking love these leggings. They compress in all the right spots. And then I got the matching top that's in ribbed form. Super cute top. So that's everything that I grabbed from Aloe Yoga. So now that I'm home right now, I figured I would explain to you guys a little bit more about the house because I feel like a lot of you guys might be confused on how all of a sudden I have like a second home, like a fixer-upper. One, I haven't mentioned it to you guys because I felt like I would bore you guys with the process. And honestly, this process has been happening for at least 2.5–3 months now. I have been waiting for this house to officially be ours, and it's officially ours, and I'm super excited about it. I am partnering up with Bo Casa, that is Manuel and Kathy. We're partnering up together, and they're gonna be helping like do all the behind the scenes stuff, like getting the city permits, building the house, getting the contractors, things like that, because as you guys know, I have no freaking experience with this at all. So I'm really excited to be partnering up with them because they are amazing at what they do. They are the ones that built this house. They remodeled it and everything. I freaking love Kathy and Manuel. I'm so happy to be working with them. They're just like so knowledgeable about the entire space, and it just makes me feel a lot better about everything. But yeah, we found some really cool pieces while we were at the house. Like I showed you guys, like the little mini compact makeup holder. We found a bunch of coins, a bunch of jewelry. So it's kind of cool seeing what he had and what the guy collected. I honestly felt really bad throwing all this guy's stuff away. I was just literally looking through this guy's memories. All of this stuff that he has stockpiled is his memories, his life. And it was just so weird to me that whenever I die, people are just gonna throw away my shit and not think twice about it. He had photos and photos and photos of like his life experience, photos of like his family, and it was like so cool seeing it. So we figured out that he was actually an army veteran in the Vietnam War. I feel like this entire process has been surreal. I have a fixer-upper and it's so freaking cool, and I'm so excited for you guys to follow along the entire journey. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. Right now, Matt is currently at work. He unfortunately has to go work in person nowadays. He no longer is able to work from home, which totally sucks for him, but I want to make us dinner tonight, so I'm gonna make us some Japanese curry. Hi. Hi.
Oh, you showed it again.
You're home.
Okay, well let me lay
Were you
first.
excited to see me?
Yes, let me lay. I'm excited to lay down.
Sorry. I'm making a Japanese curry for Matt and I right now. I'm doing all the veggies first. I wish you guys can smell this. This smells so freaking good. This is a Japanese curry mix that you can get at like Ralph's or like an Asian store or Amazon. It's amazing.
Oh yeah, this is the best meal she's ever made.
Honestly, it's so easy. All you do is like pick what kind of veggies you want, put them on your pan, stir fry them first, and then add the curry mixture, and then add like your favorite meat or whatever it is. Just double check that your vegetables are fully cooked, because they will take forever to cook and it will not taste right if your chicken is super dry but your veggies are super raw. So make sure to freaking cook everything. And then I like to make it a little bit sweeter by adding about like a tablespoon of sugar, and then I'm about to add a little bit of chili oil as well. This is just hot chili oil. You can get this anywhere. This is just to make the curry a little bit spicier, so it's not necessary at all, but it makes a difference. Time to add the chicken. We have about almost a pound of chicken that we're gonna put in. Drop it in. All right, we're gonna cook that for like another 5 to 10 minutes and food should be ready. I'm so excited for this meal. All right, guys, this is how you make perfect freaking Japanese curry with chicken. This chicken is literally cooked so perfectly. It's so juicy. I wish you guys could see how juicy that chicken is. Oh. All right, guys, if you guys want, I'm gonna leave a recipe to how I make this freaking yummy, delicious Japanese curry down below. But I thought I'd take a bite with you guys. All right, we got a perfect little bite. We got some chicken, we got some onions in there. Oh my god, that is so good. All right, Matt and I are gonna hang out, watch some TV, and I'm gonna call it a night here. Today's been a very eventful day. Tomorrow we're gonna do even more work. I figured we should end today's video here. So if you guys made it to the end of the video, comment down below, what is your favorite type of cuisine? Honestly, my top 3 favorite cuisines are Indian food, Japanese food, and Thai food. God, I have not had Indian food in so long. All right, I love you guys. Bye, guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.